Alright, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some of these T-posts in the ground. Rolling. Yeah, rolling. I ain't gonna go extra deep. It just need, cause I'm just putting wire, little light hot wire around, so that'll be deep enough. So I'm finna do that. Put the other 3 in, then I come back. All right. All right. All right. So I got them all in. One here, and then one there. Y'all see it. All right. So I'm gonna put 4. All I had to do was put 4 on in. Now you go to next step. Insulators. So I'm gonna spread these out to the height that I want the wire. You'll see when I put them on here. I think I'm gonna do 3 wire, 3 strands around the bottom. See, you just stagger them to the height you want the wire. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to be that tall, because whatever it is, you see how you just went through that little hole. So that'll be high enough. You know what I'm saying? Just all I need to do is hit it. Once they hit it, they gone. All right, so let me do the other 3. Got them all, damn, 3 high, like that. Just high enough, you know, where I can step over in the morning. 3 high, all the way around. Now I'm finna run some wire, and I'm gonna connect it. I'm gonna connect it over here. See, I already got a box. So just so you can see that box. What it's good for? What it say? 25 miles. So this plenty. I'm gonna just run it over here, connect to this, and hook up over there. So I'm gonna show you though. I'm gonna show you. All right, hold tight. All right, here go the wire. I'm finna run a line so y'all can see it. All right, real simple. extra room so you can tie it off. And you can pull it hand tight too. So all you want to do is easy. Make your little loop-de-loop like this, huh? I'm gonna bring it in so you can see it. That little loop-de-loop. Put the other end through it like that. See how I got it in there? Just pull it tight. That's it. Pull it tight. Where's that? You don't see that little loop-de-loop? There you go. Just a little loop, pull it tight. So I'm gonna go around and do the other two. Alright, all 3 lines up. See, it's high enough for me to step over in the moment. Wait a minute. Come this way. There you go. You know, it's high enough to step over where I can go in. You know what I'm saying? Alright, now I'm finna just make the connection right here. Now what I did with my wire, let me show you something. This is why you always say you scrap, right? This came out of extension cord on the spool that had in the spool broke. But I saved the extension cord because it was all that insulated wire in there. See what I'm saying? Look, come in handy. You'll see when I hook it up. Insulated wire. Hold on, let me show you something else too. I got a bunch of this PVC pipe, 10-foot length. So I'm gonna use this to run the wire through. Cause when I'm back here, when I'm weed eating that wire, I don't hit the wire with the weed. I'm just run the wire through here over to that box. Alright, I'm finna show it to you though. Hold tight. I'm gonna trim this back a little bit more with my knife. Just gonna strip it a little bit. I'm stripping that black off. Now I forgot to show y'all something. See them 3 wires? I gotta connect them. That's what I'm finna do. Connect all 3 together. Man, it's real simple too. Like, that's why I like this hot wire. Man, it's dummy proof. I'm telling you, you can't mess it up. It's real easy. So I'm finna connect these 3. Real simple. first one, the second one, with a couple loops on it, and the bottom. Simple. That way all three of them connected. So when I run the wire, the hot wire from here over to there, all three of them lines will be charged up. All right, hold tight. All right, everybody, man, y'all bear with me with this doggone camera, man. I'm trying to work this camera. All right, look, here go this end from over there. See that PVC pipe? I got the wire inside the PVC pipe. Yeah, it moving? Yeah, see it right there? This. Got the wire going through there. Coming over to here. This is where the power at. 3 lines on here. All I gotta do is hook it up to any one of these 3. Because all 3 of these lines, just like them gonna be. So I'm gonna just wrap around here. That's it. Then come back over here. I'm finna connect to these 3. Hold on. Alright, Grumpy Nation. Here you go. I'm hooked up. All 3 of these connected. And the power coming from there. So all I gotta do is go plug it in and we gonna check it and make sure we live. So let's see. Alright, I'm plugged up over there at the power. So let's see if Grumpy did it right. See if we live over here. We live, Jack. 10,000. Check all 3 of them. Yep. We live on all 3, baby. We live on all 3. That's how you hook up that hot wire. Grumpy Homestead style. Now check it out, right? Hold on, y'all. Sorry about the camera, man. Just work with me. So, man, dollar for dollar, let me tell you something. That hot wire, best for the dollar, man. A spool of that wire costs, you get a quarter mile of that wire for, was like $8. A quarter mile, right? And then them little clamps, I think I bought a bag of 25. I think that was maybe $10, right? And I already got the T-post and everything. But as you can see, without even with the camera, I think it took me 30 minutes altogether. But see how quick and easy that is? Nah, I guarantee you when he hit that, he ain't coming back, Jack. See what I'm saying? So that's how you hook up your live wire. All right, I would recommend that for anybody, especially out here in the woods. Put that wire up, because when they hit it, they ain't coming back. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for joining me on this journey. We'll see what happens in the morning. All right.